I'm Lyla, and these are my partners, Anjali and Hope. And our project is called The Clowning Circus. So the main idea for our mod was to create a fun circus with lots of different mini games in it. And we were just inspired by lots of different games that we've seen online. During the Minecraft missions, we learned different ways to code in Minecraft, which we kind of used as a model for the mini games in our circus.
So, in order to spawn the in order to spawn the circus, you have to shoot the arrow, and then I forgot to run it. You have to shoot the arrow, and then we have 2 tents that spawn, and you spawn in the first tent. The first tent is the first mini game, and you have to shoot the different blocks to get to the diamond blocks.
And then we have a second tent that you teleport inside, or you can just break through the wall to get inside. And it's like that minefield game. So there's you have to walk across without stepping on the block that will teleport you back to the start. So it's basically like that game that will, you'll die if you step on this hidden mine, a hidden.
It went this hard.
So you just have to try to get across to the diamond block without stepping on the block that will teleport you back to the start.
It went this hard last week.
Just walk in a straight line. Okay.
You keep talking. I'll get this done.
So about the code. So we have many functions. So can you just stop? Okay, so we have a function that spawns in the tents when you shoot the arrow. So we have a function that spawns in the tents. So right here we have the function that spawns in the tents, and these are the coordinates for where the tents spawn according to where the arrow falls. And we have the alternating colors of blocks, which is also defined in the function. And then go to the first mini game. Where's the first mini game?
First mini game.
The wall. So this is the function. This is the code for the first mini game, and here in the very top we have the function that creates the wall, and down here we have the code that basically will destroy the blocks when you shoot them, and it also tells whether if you shoot this certain block, if the arrow lands in the same position as that block, that will remove the whole wall, that the code will make the whole wall come down. And where's the second? Okay. This is the second mini game where if you step on a random block, the block will either teleport you back to the start, or you can just keep on walking. So those are the block positions where we, so the random integer code will basically find a random integer, and then it will spawn the block there. So it's all random, it's not the same blocks every time. And, okay.
when we were trying to make the game, we originally had another mini game that it was kind of like this one, but it was kind of like a parkour game instead. But we ended up having problems with it and we couldn't do it.
It wouldn't fit in this tent. What? What do I talk about? We learned several different coding concepts which were crucial to the success of our project. For example, we used functions and events in one of our mini games to create a game involving teleportation based on a player's position in the game. And with everything we learned, we can see ourselves applying our knowledge and experience with Python code to subjects in school and possibly even our career in the future.
And that's it.